What's up guys? It's me again, Joseph Kate. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit cards, BPI best credit cards. At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin yung BPI credit cards with no annual fee. Pero bago yun, nais muna kita imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share na experience, knowledge, and tutorials in the future. Kaya naman, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po. So yun guys, ang mangyayari ngayon is iisa-isahin natin yung BPI credit cards para malaman natin kung ano yung best BPI credit cards. Kasi guys, hindi naman natin pwede sabihin na ito yung best BPI credit card kasi ito yung maganda. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng lifestyle guys nakadepende yan sa lifestyle. Kasi may credit card na maganda siya pang shopping, may credit card na maganda pang dining. So ano yung dining? Pangkain sa restaurant, ganyan. Kung mahilig kayo mag-travel, so may best credit card for you. Kaya naman mangyayari ngayon, iisa-isahin natin yung credit card ng BPI para malaman mo kung ano yung best credit card na pasok sa lifestyle mo. Kasi hindi lang siya basta credit card, it will define your lifestyle. So ito guys, unahin natin yung credit card ng BPI na walang annual fee. Ito yung sinasabi na BPI e-credit card. So, ito nakalagay, shop online with a companion card designed with security features. So, ito yung walang annual fee na credit card ng BPI. Nakalagay dito, the online shopping card. Ito yung credit card na pang-online lang talaga siya. BPI credit card is a free companion card to your BPI card and is designed for online use. Ibig sabihin, kapag may credit card kayo ng BPI, automatic, meron kayong BPI e-credit card which is no annual fee siya. Ito yung credit card nila na walang annual fee. Ito lang yung nag-iisa, nagbubukod tangi. It has a lower and adjustable limit. Plus, it has a different card number for added security. So, magkaiba ito ng credit card number doon sa credit card nyo talaga. Kasi ito siya, kasama lang siya kasi nga pang online purposes. Nandito nakalagay, yung perks naman niya is BPI rewards. Earn 1 BPI points for every 30 pesos spend. Enjoy lots of exciting rewards that you can redeem such as gift voucher, shopping, credits, airline miles, and more. Get perks and privileges. Enjoy a wide array of offers from your favorite online stores. Ayan, nakalagay, no annual fees. Enjoy a companion card that comes with absolutely no annual fees. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan na natin ngayon yung regular credit card talaga ng BPI. So ayan, nakikita nyo, BPI. So credit cards. Whether you're shopping, dining, or traveling, earn rewards points for GCs. GCs mean gift certificates, miles, and more with BPI rewards. Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung benefits ng mga credit cards ng BPI. Ito yung mga ino-offer nila. Benefits you can enjoy with BPI rewards cards. Travel, shopping, and dining deals. Use BPI rewards cards to shop, dine, and travel for more rewarding experience. Discover lots of discounts and freebies via Oh My Deals app. So, merong silang app which is yung Oh My Deals app. Doon makikita lahat ng deals ng BPI credit cards, BPI rewards cards. Then, earn more points for more rewards. Rack up points from purchases you make anywhere in the world, whether online or in store. Track points conveniently with BPI, with Vibe by BPI. So, meron kasi yung app, yung BPI guys, which is what they call is Vibe app. Nandun lahat, makikita nyo yung accumulated points ninyo. Yung points na yun, pwede nyo exchange, pwede nyo pambayad sa 7-Eleven, sa Adidas, depende bang store. Meron doon papilian, nakikita nyo naman. Then yun, okay, proceed tayo. Unahin natin yung BPI Gold Rewards Cards. Sa BPI Gold Rewards Cards, discover a world of endless rewards with a BPI Gold Rewards Cards. May kita nyo naman dito, travel, shopping, and dining deals. So, meron silang deals sa travel, shopping, and dining. Then, use your BPI Gold Rewards Cards to shop, dine, and travel for a more rewarding experience. Discover lots of discounts and freebies via Oh My Deals app. So, if you have this credit card which is yung BPI Gold Rewards cards, maganda mag-install kayo ng Oh My Deals app. Then earn more points for more rewards. Rack up points from purchases as you make anywhere in the world, whether online or in store. Every PHP 35 spend earns you 1 BPI rewards points. The next is more reasons to love this card. Kalagay dito, enjoy flexible payment terms. Stretch your payment terms up to 36 months as you enjoy real 0% special installments. SIP. Ayan, nakalagay yung SIP na sinasabi is a special installment plan. Buy now, pay later, and additional installment limit with bonus madness limits. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, if credit card holder kayo na BPI, may makikita kayo sa application na madness limit. So yun yung sinasabi dito, bonus madness limit. Save while you shop abroad. So always use your card abroad to enjoy one of the lowest foreign transaction service fees of just 1.85%. So mababa siya, 1.85% lang yung conversion fee, yung foreign transactions niya. Then get free travel insurance. Be insured for free whenever you travel for up to 10 million pesos when you book your flights using your card. Redeem rewards your way. With our wide selection of rewards, you can redeem accumulated non-expiring points for shopping credits, shopping AGCs, dining AGCs, ganyan. So ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Then next natin pag-uusapan guys is yung BPI Platinum Rewards Card. Elevate to a platinum rewards experience like no other. Then nandito yung benefits niya, makikita nyo travel, shopping, and dining deals. Use your BPI Platinum Rewards card to shop, dine, and travel for a more rewarding experience. Discover lots of discounts and freebies via Oh My Deals app. So same as BPI Gold Rewards, meron din dito. Faster way to redeem rewards, earn 2 BPI rewards points for every 30 pesos locally spent for every 20 pesos foreign currency spent at merchants outside the Philippines. So, kapag outside the Philippines, kapag na-convert na yung currency na yun, kung magkano yung peso, every 20 pesos, 1 BPI rewards points. Then, more reasons to love this card. Travel farther in the most affordable way to fly. Having the widest choice of airlines, redeem your points for miles at our various airline partners. Enjoy 0% installments on airlines tickets for up to 6 months all year around when you book your airfare using your card. So note lang, kapag ma-avail nyo yun, kapag ginamit nyo yung card na to, pag nag-book kayo ng card, ito yung BPI Platinum Rewards cards. Kapag ito yung ginamit nyo, ma-avail nyo yung 0% installment on airline tickets. Then nandito pa, have access to over 1,300 airport lounges. Enjoy convenient travels and access airport lounges worldwide with a complimentary priority pass membership and get up to 4 free lounge passes yearly, subject to required spend. So, ibig sabihin, may spending requirement siya bago kayo makapag-avail na itong sinasabi na access to over 1,300 airport lounge. Get free travel insurance. Be insured for free whenever you travel for up to 10 million pesos when you book your flights using your card. So, ma-avail nyo itong travel insurance kapag yung ginamit nyo pag-book is yung credit card nyo na yun, itong platinum. Then, peace of mind purchases, Mastercard's purchase protection insurance. Ibig sabihin, may insurance siya kapag nag-purchase kayo. Guards your purchases against theft and accidental damage up to 180 days. So, up to 180 days yung coverage niya. Experience priority servicing anytime, anywhere. Enjoy priority lane at 24-hour BPI contact center and 24/7 assistance with Mastercard travel and lifestyle services. Plus, get access to exclusive offers with Mastercard Moments. So, maganda siya kasi may VIP treatment siya or priority treatment. Then, redeem rewards your way. So, with our wide selection of rewards, you can redeem your accumulated non-expiring points for shopping credits, shopping EGCs, dining EGCs, or miles, and more. Then, ito, and the next natin guys is yung BPI rewards cards. Earn BPI points that you can use for shopping credits, gift voucher, airline, miles, and more. Then, ayan, travel, shopping. Ayan yung benefits niyo guys, travel, shopping, and dining deals. Use your BPI rewards cards to shop, dine, and travel for a more rewarding experience. Discover lots of discounts and freebies via Oh My Deals app. So, lahat nandun sa Oh My Deals app. Earn more points for more rewards. Rack up points from purchases you make anywhere in the world, whether online or in store. Every 35 pesos spent earns you 1 BPI point rewards. Track your points conveniently with Vibe by BPI. View, track, and redeem your points in real time through Vibe app. More reasons to love this card. Enjoy flexible payment terms. Stretch your payment terms up to 36 months as you enjoy your real special installment plan, which is yung SIP. Buy now, pay later. Additional installment limit with bonus madness limit. So may madness limit din siya. The next natin guys is yung BPI Signature. The card that fits your signature lifestyle. Benefits, lowest forex conversion rate, just 1.85%. Save while you spend abroad. Signature deals up to 50% off. Enjoy great deals on dining, hotels, resorts, fitness studios, and wealth centers all year around. BPI rewards points. Earn 2 points for every PHP 20 spent and use points to redeem miles, shopping credits, or guest certificates from premium merchants. Then, meron din siyang airport lounge access. Relax before your flight and enjoy complimentary airport lounge access for you and one guest at PAGS International Lounge at na NAIA 1 and NAIA 3. May insurance din siya guys up to 20 million. Kapag binook nyo yung flight na yon or by land kung saan man, basta yung ticket na yon is binook nyo gamit yung credit card na yon, which is yung BPI Signature. The next natin guys is yung BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. Discover more of what you love with a BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. Cashback benefits, the ultimate shopping buddy. BPI Amor Platinum Cashback allows you to enjoy cashback anywhere you shop or dine worldwide, whether in store or online. For every 1,000 pesos spent anywhere, enjoy cashback at restaurants 4%. Get cashback at your favorite restaurants or online food delivery services. Cashback at shops 1%. Earn cashback in supermarkets, department stores, and other shopping stores. Cashback at all retail stores 0.3%. Enjoy cashback on all your other local or international spend in store or online. Then, more reasons to love this card. Get cash anytime. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in installment of up to 36 months. You can also avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 100% of your available credit limit. Then nandito pa, more reasons to love this card. Get perks and privileges at Ayala Malls. Get unlimited access to Ayala Malls, exclusive customer and family lounges, and 5% discount on your movie ticket purchase at the cinemas. New card holders can also get complimentary parking tickets at select Ayala Malls as a welcome gift from us. Then next natin guys is yung BPI Amor Cashback. So ito guys, iba naman tong Amor Cashback na to kasi yung kanina is yung Platinum. Tapos ngayon ito siya, hindi siya Platinum. Discover more of what you love with a BPI Amor Cashback. So cashback benefits is the BPI Amor Cashback card allows you to enjoy cashback when you pay for your needs, whether in store or online. It also lets you enjoy cashback on your local spend. Cashback at supermarkets 4%. Get cashback on your groceries and everyday household needs. Cashback on drugstores and utilities 1%. Earn cashback on health and personal care essentials utilities. Cashback on all other local retail spend 0.3%. Enjoy cashback on all your other local retail spend in store or online. Some more reasons to love this card. Also, get cash anytime. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in installment up to 36 months. You can also avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 30% of your available credit limit. So ito siya sa cash advance na ito guys is 30% lang yung withdrawable niya. Then ito meron pa, get perks and privileges, get unlimited access to Ayala Malls, exclusive customer and family lounges. The next natin guys is yung BPI, yung Petron BPI card. Get as much as one full tank with your partner card on the road. Benefits niya is offers a 3% fuel rebate and gives free PHP 200 fuel voucher as a welcome gift. This is the practical motorist card that gets you going. Earn fuel rebates of 3%. Get it at any Petron station worldwide. Maximum fuel rebate per year is 15,000 pesos. So every year, yung pinaka-maximum niya na pwede nyo ma-earn is 15,000 pesos. Just use your Petron BPI card at any Petron station nationwide to be able to earn rebates. Get cash anytime and withdraw up to 30% of your available credit limit through cash advance. So yung maka-cash advance dito guys is 30% lang ng credit limit dito sa Petron BPI card. Then convert your credit limit to cash. Get access to cash when you need it and pay it installment up to 36 months. Ganon. Then next natin guys is yung BPI Edge card. Experience a cutting-edge lifestyle with our exclusive rewards and perks. Benefits, the ideal credit card for a young professional who want to experience more out of life. Find out why BPI Edge card is value for style card. Get cash anytime and pay it in up to 36 months. Installment when you convert your credit limit to cash. Avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 30% of your available credit limit. Then enjoy one of the lowest forex rates at just 1.85% and use it for your international purchases and when shopping abroad. More reasons to love this card. Get discounts and flexibility to purchase an installment from our partner stores and earn BPI rewards points. BPI rewards points. Earn 1 BPI rewards points for every 50 pesos spend. Get perks and privileges. Enjoy a wide array of year-round special. The next natin guys is yung BPI Corporate Card. Manage your business purchases and payment processes easier, smarter, and faster. So your complete business payment solution, complete with innovative product features and advanced data analysis tools, BPI Corporate Card enables your company convenience, control, and flexibility for significant savings for your business. Extend payment terms up to 50 days. Monitor transactions 24/7. Generate reports and view and approve expenses online through Express Data Online. Edul, a secure web-based reporting and expense management system. More reasons to love this card is minimize company expenses, increase savings, and low foreign conversion rate. Ganon. Company controls, at the same time, exception from withholding tax. Be exempted from withholding tax on purchases of goods or services made using BPI Corporate Card. So, ayan, maganda siya. As stipulated in BIR RMC 72/2004. So, exempted to sa withholding tax. The next natin guys is yung BPI DOS card, DOS card. BPI DOS card. Unleash the power of 2GIVs with a BPI DOS card. More reasons to love this card is 2GIVs. All your purchases are automatically converted into 2 monthly installments. So maganda siya kasi 2GIVs nga siya. Contactless. More time for important things with your contactless card through MasterCard Pay Pass. Rewarding. More rewarding experience. Earn 1 point for every 50 pesos spent with your BPI DOS card. Electronic statement of accounts. Convenience. Better security. Installment plan. The next natin guys is yung Robinsons Cashback Card. Shopping just got better with the new BPI, with new Robinsons Cashback Card. So magtataka ko guys bakit may Robinsons, kasi alam niyo ba guys, may merger na nangyari si BPI at saka si Robinsons. Ibig sabihin, nagkaisa sila, parang nag-collab kumbaga. Kaya naman ngayon, pwede kayo makapag-withdraw sa Robinsons Bank nang walang bayad gamit yung BPI debit cards. Yes, free po siya. So yun, balik tayo. BPI Robinsons Cashback Credit Card. Shopping just got better with the new Robinsons Cashback. Enjoy up to 3% rebate at Robinsons stores and up to 1% rebate on all other merchants. Now, it really pays the shop. Next is more reasons to love this card as 3% cashback. Get up to 3% rebate on your purchases with worth 3,500 and up at Robinsons brands and affiliate stores. So mga affiliates niya, 3% yung cashback. 1% cashback, get up to 1% cashback on all purchases worth 3,500 and up at other merchants. Promos and discounts, enjoy exclusive discounts and special promos on Robinsons retail brands when you shop using your Robinsons Cashback Credit Card. Electronic statement of accounts, installment plan, contactless payments, safer online transactions. So yun na po yung lahat guys. So sana may na-share akong knowledge sa inyo about BPI credit cards, BPI best credit cards, at saka BPI credit card with no annual fees. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. So it's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!